Hello there, welcome back with the second Sudoku, a 2-star Sudoku we have here in the additional of today's newspaper on Friday 11th, September the 11th, 2020. Yes, a 2-star Sudoku we have here, the second one, and this will be number 1507. And before I start, I always count the printed digits so you have a kind of indication of the difficulty level. Previous Sudoku has 27, so I think this one has 26. Let me count. We have here 5 plus 3 is 8 plus 3 is 11 plus 3 is 14, 15, 18 plus 2 is 20 plus 3 is 23 plus 3 is equal to 26, correct? So let's get started. Let me see. How about let me see. We have here in the last column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 6. 3 and a 6 are missing in the last column. We have a 3 and a 6 in this big square, so no 3 and a 6 in these two boxes. I see here also 3 and a 6 in this row, so no 3 and a 6 in this box. So the 3 and a 6 goes in those two boxes. Let me mark them. 6 and a 3, 6 and a 3. That means the other 3 numbers are the 1, the 2, and the 9. 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. We have an 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so in the row above. Only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here or there. We see an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. Only place for the 8 should be there. I cannot continue with the 8. How about the number? Yeah. 7. This one is not easy. 4 in this row, 4 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, there are only 2 places for the 4, here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column between. Only 2 places for the 4, here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 4. How about the number? In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 3 boxes. There 5, no 5 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. 1, 2, 3. 3 boxes left. One of the missing number in this big square is a 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. So the 9 is missing the 6 and the 3. We see here the 6 and the 3 in this column, so no 6 and the 3 in this box. 1 digit left should be the 9. The 6 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them. It's a pair. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 1 and 8. 1 and 8. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 1, 9, 6, 6, 6. No. These 2 numbers should be the 9 and the 1 in the last column. 9 and a 1. We have here 6 and a 3. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column. So the column between, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 number left in this column. Number 2. Number 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing and a 7. 7 and a 5. Let me mark them for you. It's a pair. 5, 4, 4. 9, 9, 8. 9, 8. 8 and 1. 8 and 1. 7. Not easy, this one. Not easy at all. 3, 3. 6, yes. 6 in this first column. 6 in the second column. So the third column. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only place for a 5 should be there. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5. And this should be the 7. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. There 7, no 7 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. Only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the middle column, only 3 places for the 7. Here, here, or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. only place for the 7 should be there, and all the 7s are used. I can see. Yes, alright. 3, 4, 2. 3 missing numbers in this big square: the 2, the 3, and the 4. We see here the 3 and the 4, so no 3 and the 4 in this block or box, so 1 digit left for the number 2. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 4. Let me mark them for you. 3 and the 4. That means in this row, 2 boxes left for the numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 in this column and 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 2 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle, in that column, so in the middle column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 1, 2, 3 is missing in this row, and the 5 is missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 5 goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the 9 are missing. 6 and the 9, I cannot fill this yet, need to mark them. 8 and a 1. Yeah. 3, 5, 6. 6. Need a 6 here. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row. 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be the 4. 4 in the third column, 4 in the first column. Column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 4, here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 2. The middle column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. Here also 5, no 5 there. Only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 5, here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see, yes. Digit number 3. 1 and 8. Yes. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes. There an 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in the first row for the number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 6 and 9. 9 and 8. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 9. 8 and 9. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 1 box left in the second column for the number 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, Only 2 places for the 8, here or there. We see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in the middle column. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 6 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Two numbers left in the first column, a 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and a 9 goes there. 9 in this last row. 9 in a row above, so in that row only 2 places for the 9, here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row, the 6 and a 3, 6 and a 3. We have a 3 here or there, 3, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 1. 2 numbers left, 6 and a 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the number 6 and 2. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching. See you soon in a minute with the third Sudoku. It will be a 3 stars Sudoku. Bye bye for now.